Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for task management. First, create a new database in Notion, which will serve as your central hub for all tasks. Next, add essential properties such as a due date, a status dropdown, and a priority level to each task entry. Finally, leverage Notion's powerful views to organize your tasks, perhaps by project or by their current status, giving you a clear overview of your workload. Once your tasks are in Notion, effective organization is key. Group your tasks by specific projects or broader areas of responsibility to maintain clarity. Implement a simple priority system, perhaps using a select property with options like high, medium, and low, to quickly identify critical items. Then, use Notion's filtering capabilities to focus on tasks due today or those with high priority, ensuring you tackle what matters most. Notion offers advanced features to streamline your task management. Link individual tasks to their corresponding projects or meeting notes for easy context and reference. For routine activities, set up recurring tasks using templates, saving you time and ensuring consistency. You can also automate task status updates by predefining properties within database templates, making your workflow more efficient and reducing manual effort significantly. To maximize your productivity, regularly review your Notion task list, perhaps daily or weekly, to ensure you are always on track and adjusting priorities as needed. Seamlessly integrate this task management system into your daily workflow, making it a natural part of how you plan and execute your work. Remember, Notion's mobile application allows you to update tasks and check your progress from anywhere, keeping you connected and productive on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.